Hi, this is Gary Andrews. The topic of this video is creating a performance HDB. As always, we begin from the primary option menu within CICSPA Performance Analyzer, and we'll select option 5. We select option 2 to define, and we're going to select a performance HDB, so we'll select option 1. We'll give it a name. Any name will do at this stage. We will not give it a qualifier, nor will we select Explore Compatibility. Let's move over to the template here, PF4. Note that we have a new template in place. Now this is provided with version 3.2 of the product, but let's not select that one right now. Let's select the one that we built earlier. And let's see here, do we want to keep it for a while, for 2 years? Yes. And this information here is for the container data sets that will be built. Container data sets are used to get basically to house the initial data that we receive from the SMF data sets, and then we will use the container data sets to populate either a CSV file or a DB2 database. High-level qualifier would be whatever is required in your environment. Space and cylinders, primary quantity is 20 and 20. You can adjust this higher. Matter of fact, I expect you will have to adjust this a lot higher, perhaps 2000 and 2000. Okay. Now let's say we change our minds here and we decide, you know what? We want this to be Explorer compatible. So that means we have to enter a qualifier, and I will describe the qualifier and its purpose in another video. But for now, we'll just put in qual name as the qualifier name, and we will make it Explorer compatible. Now I'm going to hit enter here, and notice that it shows template not defined. Well, we defined this template, so what's going on? Well, let's get rid of that. You hit PF4, and notice that we only have one entry now that we're allowed, and that is the Explorer template that comes with the product with version 3.2. So let's go ahead and select that. And let me see, do we want any performance criteria? Well, maybe. So let's select let's see, make some performance adjustments. Let's exclude the some transactions. And we'll go over and we'll bring up our list. And we'll put the exclude list. Okay, that's good. So let's PF3 out of here. Note the asterisk here, indicating that there are some performance criteria in place associated with this particular performance HDB. And we're good to go. So we'll hit PF3, and we're done. Now say you change your mind again and you decide, you know what, I don't want to make that Explorer compatible. So what do? I don't want to create a new one. I want to change the one I just made. So I'll select option 7. And I'll go down to the one we just did, which was TEWT. Select it. And from here, now I can change it. I can take out the qual name. I can make it non-Explorer compatible. Okay. And then I want to go down. We can use this template for a non-Explorer compatible performance HDB, or we can use the ones that we built. Let's use the ones we built. I'll clear that out. Hit PF4. Select the one I built for this particular HDB. Note here that my performance is, I have performance criteria in place. Everything else stays the same. PF3 out, and I'm done. So now you know how to create a performance HDB.